Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So finally, we have some concrete evidence of the presence of Tab S8 series. Yes, Samsung made a mistake in an official document that has confirmed the entirety of the upcoming Galaxy Tab S8 lineup, including the Wi-Fi, LTE and 5G variants. Leaks and rumors are one thing, but official confirmation from none other than the manufacturer itself is completely different. Credits to Galaxy Club who found out mentions of the Galaxy Tab S8 series deep within Samsung's exchange program website. The trade-in program lists the different Galaxy Tab S8 models including the Tab S8, Tab S8 Plus and Tab S8 Ultra. Other than this, it sheds light on what Samsung could offer for your used tablets as a part of its exchange program. It also reveals the existence of Wi-Fi only Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra variants with 256 and 512 gigs of storage. Well, if that's not enough, we recently got to see the middle of the pack Galaxy Tab S8 Plus on Geekbench. The Galaxy Tab S8 Plus variant bears model number SM-X808U and packs 8 gigs of RAM. The scores combined with its motherboard tells us that it will be running a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, which is hardly a surprise. In 2022, most of the flagship will get this chipset. Well, today the official cases were listed on box.co.uk, but sadly we don't have any screenshots for those and they have taken down the images. So now I'm gonna tell you some of the previously leaked specs, which if you already know then you can skip this part, or else let's continue. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 will be coming with a 11-inch TFT display, while the Tab S8 Plus will feature a 12.4-inch OLED display and the flagship Tab S8 Ultra will be coming with a giant 14.6-inch OLED display. All of them will likely be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and will get a minimum of 128 gigs of storage. RAM and storage across the small and medium-sized slates is comparable, while the Ultra also benefits from the option of a 12 gigs RAM and 512 gigs of storage not afforded to the base or Plus models. For cameras, all three tablets will reportedly feature a dual 13+5 megapixel rear camera setup, while the Tab S8 Ultra's front 8 megapixel snapper is accompanied by a secondary 5 megapixel ultra-wide lens. The battery capacity of each model will vary. With the standard Tab S8, you will get 8000 mAh battery, for 8 Plus it's 10090 mAh, and for Ultra model a massive 12000 mAh battery with 45 watt charging speed. As for launch, previous rumors have suggested that Samsung will be launching the Galaxy Tab S8 tablets more or less alongside the Galaxy S22 smartphones. And with that, we are at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.